Hi there, I'm Carolyn. I'm a licensed therapist who works closely with people navigating stress, anxiety, and other reasons for sleep challenges. One thing I hear from so many of my clients is how difficult it can be to fall asleep or stay asleep, and how much it impacts their mental and emotional well being. Sleep isn't just rest, it's repair, it's regulation, and it's a vital part of how we feel and function. This practice of envisioning a peaceful night's sleep is one tool that I have found to be truly helpful for clients who struggle with sleep. It's designed to help gently guide you into a state of rest, letting your body and mind slow down, feel safe, and welcome in a deep, peaceful night's sleep. So let's begin. Take a moment now to settle into your bed. Let your body find a position that feels really cozy, whatever that means for you tonight. Maybe you want to pull the covers up just a little bit higher, adjust your pillow, or soften your limbs a little bit more deeply into the mattress. Let yourself just land here. Once you're settled, let your body know it's safe to relax. It's okay to let go of the day now. Begin to gently bring your awareness to your breath. There's no need to change it, just notice it. With each exhale, allow yourself to release a little more tension. Let your jaw soften. Let your shoulders drop. Let your belly be soft and easy. Now I want you to gently bring to mind the image of you getting a beautiful, restful night's sleep. Imagine yourself falling to sleep easily, sleeping deeply and peacefully throughout the night. Your breath slow and steady. Your body safe and calm. Your mind quiet and at ease. Picture yourself waking up in the morning, feeling rested, clear, and refreshed. Feel the warmth of sunlight on your skin, the ease in your body, and the softness in your face. Feel the sense of having received the exact rest that you needed. There is nothing that you need to do right now. Nowhere to go. No one to be. Nothing that's going to get done. You are simply here, resting. this image of deep, healing sleep wrap around you like a blanket. Trust that your body knows how to rest, that your mind can soften, and that sleep will come. If your mind begins to wander, that's okay. Just gently bring your attention back to this moment, back to your breath, back to the feeling of being held and supported by your bed, and back to the vision of a peaceful night and a beautiful morning to come. Just let yourself drift slowly, gently into sleep. You are safe. You are cared for. You are allowed.